Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and on Android click pair new device. On iOS you don't need to do it. Now open the case and then press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. We did it. Now click on your headphones. Now hide the settings and go to the application. Right here click pair new device or click to the plus at the top. And right here at the top we have our headphones, so click on it. Earphones is connected. Next. Click on it again, pair, agree, later. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!